Hey everyone, welcome back to Python with ePython Lab. Today we're getting a sneak peek at some of the exciting new features coming in Python 3.13, which is still under development. Python 3.13 beta is the pre-release of the next version of the Python programming language with a mix of changes to the language, the implementation, and the standard library. The biggest changes to the implementation include a new interactive interpreter and experimental support for dropping the global interpreter lock. A better interactive interpreter on Unix-like systems like Linux or macOS, Python now uses a new interactive shell. When the user started the reply from an interactive terminal and both cursors and a read line are available, the interactive shell now supports the following new features: colorized prompts, multiple editing with history preservation, interactive help browsing with F1 featuring a separate command history browsing with F2, skipping output and prompts for cleaner navigation, test mode with F3 for easier insertion of large code blocks, toggleable with F3 again. The ability to execute reply specific commands like help, exit, and quit directly without parentheses. Users can also opt out of the new interactive shell by setting the Python basic reply environment variable. The other is improved error messages. The interpreter now colorizes error messages when displaying traceback by default. This feature can be controlled via the new Python colors environment variable as well as the canonical no color and force color environment variables. A common mistake is to write a script with the same as a standard library module. When this results in errors, we now display a more helpful error message. Similarly, if a script has the same name as a third-party module, it attempts to import and this results in errors. We also display a more helpful error message. When an incorrect keyword argument is passed to a function, the error message now potentially suggests the correct keyword argument. Python 3.13 is packed with potential improvements from a more helpful interpreter to changes in how we handle data. Remember, these features are subject to change before the final release. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions related to Python, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching today.